everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Robinhood Crypto Wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, to update the application, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you've done that, go and open your App Store. In the search box, search for Robinhood Wallet. Once you search for it, you'll be able to see the wallet displayed at the very top. Tap on it and then look if there is an update button available on the next page. If you see an update button right beneath the application, simply tap on that update button to begin downloading the latest version of Robinhood Crypto Wallet. Once you've done with the update, you can open the application like you normally do. That is how you should be able to download the latest version of Robinhood Crypto Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.